All right, this is from factoring assignment day 2, number 15. And we have to factor, and remember all the time on a factor question, the very first thing is all the time, because Mr. Westpatel used to write on his arm, is GCF. Okay, so this one doesn't look like it has a GCF, but if it starts with -1, you generally want to pull that out front. The reason being this x squared then becomes positive, right? And so it's a little bit easier to factor when you have the first term as positive. So we're going to pull that -1 out, which means both of these get divided by -1. So in the back there we have -9 instead of +9. And then from here, hopefully we realize that this is the square minus square case. So that part back there, maybe I'll write it in blue here. We can factor into two little binomials, and we put x and x, and then they have to multiply to -9 and add up to like 0x in the middle. So in this case, if we use +3 and -3, those multiply to -9 and add up to 0. Okay, so our answer is those two little factors from this, and then the -1 that we factored out originally. So we sort of have like 3 parts in our answer, but that's our final answer right there. All right, hopefully that helps.